All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to start 60-second session with our new participant. The first one that I'd like to ask you is one sentence about you.
I'm a student and I'm passionate about learning English.
Thank you. One sentence about your father.
My father is a hardworking person. He's my idol.
One sentence about your mother.
My mother is my heart and she always take care of my family.
One sentence about Bangladesh.
Bangladesh is my motherland. I love my country.
One sentence about cricket.
Cricket is most popular game in Bangladesh. I love cricket.
One sentence about mobile phone.
Mobile phone is an important device for communication. It makes communication too easy.
One sentence about laptop.
Laptop is the device I like many purpose.
All right. One sentence about internet.
Internet makes world short and brings it in one hand.
One sentence about football.
Football is most popular game in around the world. Everyone loves it.
One sentence about newspaper.
Newspaper is the key source of getting knowledge and in different parts in the world.
Thank you for your answers.
Thank you for watching this video.